Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hasha, and today I will briefly explain the system architecture for our project Green Red Campus. So this is the system architecture for Green Red Campus. First, on the left side, we have the guest and registered user. These are the users who access our system. Next, the users connect to the Apache web server XAMPP. This server receives all requests from the users and sends them to the Green Red Campus system. In the middle is the Green Red Campus system, which contains the main functions of our application. These include user authentication for login and registration, trip management for creating and managing trips, booking and reservation for ride requests, trip history, trip search and filter, source alert, gender preference, session management and security, and notification and alert service. Then the system communicates with the data layer, which acts as the bridge between the application and the database. On the right side are the database tables, including user, trip, booking, trip request, vehicle, trip history, and source request. These tables store all information used by the system. Finally, the system is integrated with the Google Maps API, which helps provide location and route-related services. Overall, the flow is from user, web server, Green Red Campus system, data layer, database. And the information is written back to the user.
Hi and Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Naim and I will present about the function for chat of the Green Red system. So first, when a user open the Green Red web, they can choose either they want to log in or no. If they don't want to log in, then they will be considered as a guest and they can only search for criteria and also see trips. But if they want to log in, they need to undergo the verification login process. And then if the login is unsuccessful, they need to retry login. If yes, then they can go inside the system and use the system. So first, publish a trip which only can be used as a driver. A driver can create a trip, can edit the trip, and also delete the trip. Next, passenger can search for trips where they can request booking, and also they can view requests and also accept the booking. If the passenger accept the booking, a seat will be deducted from the system database, and the output booking confirm will be shown. Next, view trip history, where the passenger can see their past trip, and the user also can update their profile. Either they want to change their profile or just see them. Next, lastly, for the source button, where if there an incident, they can use these functions to report it. And lastly, the user will be asked either they want to continue using Green Red or Campus. If no, then this is the end. Okay, that is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurina binti Syamuddin. So today I will explain about physical ERD. So this physical ERD show the database structure for the Green Red Campus coupling system. It manage user, vehicle, trip, bookings, trip requests, SOS requests, and trip history. So first, we have user. Users store information such as name, email, password, phone number, role, metric number, gender. And then vehicle. Vehicle store information such as plate number, model, color, and capacity. Next is trip. Trip store ride details such as origin, destination, departure, seat available, price, and gender preference. Booking record reservation made by passenger in a specific trips. Next, we have trip request. So trip request store passenger requests before they are approved or rejected by the driver. Next, we have SOS request. SOS request record emergency alert sent by users. during the trips. Lastly, we have trip history. Trip history keeps a record of complete trips and activity user. Thank you.
Hello, I will present the data dictionary. First, we have an entity, which is user. The attribute is user ID. The data type is int. Field length is 5. The constraint is primary key, and it's for a unique identifier for each user. Next, we have name, which the data type is varchar. Field length is 100. The constraint is not null, and it's for the full name of the user. Next, we have email, which is varchar. 100 field length. The constraint is unique, and it's for the user's email address. Next is password, which is varchar 255 length, not null, and encrypted login password. Next, phone number, varchar 20 for the length, and not null for the constraint, is for the contact number. Next we have role, varchar 20, not null, and it's for the role, which is driver, passenger, or admin. Next, we have matrix number, varchar 10, not null, student matrix number, gender, varchar 10, not null, gender of the user. Next, we have vehicle. Then the attribute is vehicle ID, which is int with the length of 5, primary key, and it's for being a primary key, and it's 2 unique identified for each vehicle. Next, plate number, which is varchar 20, unique, and it's for vehicle registration plate. Next, we have model, varchar 100, not null, and it's for the vehicle model. Next, we have color, varchar 30, it's not null, and it's for the vehicle color. Next, we have capacity, it's int with the length of 2, and it's a foreign key, which the driver linked to user entity. Next, we have trip ID, which is int with the length of 5, and it's the primary key. It's a unique identifier for each trip. Next, we have origin, which is varchar, and the length is 100, and it's not null, and it's for the starting point. Next is the destination, varchar 100, not null, and it's ending point. Next is departure, and the data is date time, and it's not null, it's for departure time and departure date and time. Next is for seat available, int 2, not null, remaining seats. Next is price, which is a decimal, and it's not null, for fare per passenger. Next is status, varchar 20, not null, trip status. Next is gender preferences, which is varchar 20, optional, preferred passenger gender. Next is vehicle ID, and like I said, it's from the top, it's for a linked vehicle, and user ID, foreign key, vehicle ID, and user ID, and request ID is a foreign key. For trip request ID, it's the primary key, it's unique identifier for each request. Next is requested, int 2, not null, number of seats requested. Pickup point, varchar 100, not null, passenger pickup location. Drop off point, varchar 100, not null, passenger drop off location. Next is status, varchar 20, not null, request status, pending, accepted or rejected. Next is request time, date time, not null, time request was made. Response time, date time, it's optional. Time driver is for the time driver responded. Next is the passenger note, varchar 255, and it's optional. It's for notes from passengers. Next is trip ID, it's int 5, foreign key, and it's for linked trip. Next is user ID, int 5, foreign key, it's for passenger making requests. Next is booking ID, int 5, foreign key, linked booking records. Next is booking ID, int 5, primary key, unique identifier for booking. Seats requested, int 2, not null, seats booked. Pickup point, varchar 100, not null, pickup location. Drop off point, varchar 100, not null, drop off location. Status, varchar 20, not null, booking status. Request time, date time, not null, and booking request time. Response time, date time, optional. Driver's response time. Cancelled by, varchar 20, optional, to tell who cancelled, driver or passenger. For the SOS ID, int 50, primary key, unique identifier for SOS. Timestamp, date time, not null, time SOS triggered. Status, varchar 20, not null, SOS status, active or resolved. Trip ID, int 5, foreign key, and it's for the link trip. User ID, int 5, foreign key, user triggering SOS. Trip history, it's for history ID, int 5, primary key, unique identifier for history records. Role varchar 100 not null, role of user in trip. Action varchar 100 not null, action performed. Complete at datetime null null, completion timestamp. Trip ID int 5 foreign key for a linked trip. User ID int 5 foreign key for linked user. That's all for the data dictionary.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Farah Kisina and I'm going to present user interface design. So the first one is system entry, main page, guest mode, header and hero banner. The header show the logo, login and sign up buttons. The hero banner has the tagline go together, save forever and get a started button. And next, how GreenRec Campus work. This section explains 3-step process: post or search, choose gender preference and join to share costs. Below that, 3 benefit cards show user can save up to 70%, help create greener campus and avoid waiting. Next is available trips. Sample trip listing are shown with a warning that guests cannot book rides. They must log in to join any trip. Okay, next is your safety is our priority. This is safety section. 4 safety features are highlighted: gender preference, verified user, ride history, and real-time tracking, which is coming soon. User also can cancel trips and rapid issue. Next is FAQ, frequently asked question. 3 frequently asked questions are shown. Clicking the plus button opens up a pop-up with the answer. Below are the example of the answer shown to user. This main page registered user. The only difference in the main page between guest mode and registered user mode is the button at the bottom. Guest mode display a login to join button, while registered user mode display a view more button. All other content remains the same. Next is login page. Login page has 2 fields: metric or staff ID, and password. User can click login, go back to home page, or sign up if they don't have an account. For the sign up page, has 4 fields: full name, metric ID, email and password. User click sign up to create an account or log in if they already have one. And for the passengers booking process, this is explore ride page, which is the passenger starts by opening the explore ride page. Here they can search for available rides. Each trip show the route, time, seat left, cost, driver name and gender preference. To book a ride, the passenger clicks the join button. For the SOS information, at any time the user can click the SOS button. A pop-up appears showing emergency contacts, campus security, the emergency and police. The user can click active SOS to share their live location or click cancel to close. Next is request ride page. Request ride page, instead of joining an existing ride, passenger can also request a ride. They fill in pickup and drop off location, date, time, number of passenger, gender preference, budget and optional notes. Clicking find and request ride, submit the request for driver to see and accept. And next is a ride confirmation. When the passenger click join on an available ride, a confirm ride pop-up appears. It shows the route, date, time, driver name, gender preference, available seat and cost. A message says the user can cancel up to 1 hour before departure. The passenger clicks confirm booking to proceed or cancel to go back. Next is booking confirmation. Once confirmed, a booking confirm or pop-up appears. It shows the right details and confirm that one seat has been reserved. The passenger clicks done to close the pop-up. Next is pending ride list. If the passenger want to edit a ride request, they click the edit ride button. A pop-up appears showing their pending ride request. Each ride has an edit ride button, so the passenger select a ride to edit. Next one is edit ride page. The edit ride from opens with the selected ride detail. The passenger can edit pickup and drop off location, date, time, number of passenger, gender preference, estimate cost share, and notes. They can click save change to update or delete to remove the ride request. And the last one, booking cancellation. If the passenger want to cancel a confirm booking, they can click cancel button. A pop-up appears showing their confirm ride. Each ride has a remove button. Click remove immediately, cancel the booking with no extra form. Next is driver trip management process. This is explore ride page. The drivers start by opening the explore ride page. Here they can see their posted ride with the number of passenger, gender preference. Each ride has an accept request button showing the budget per person. So this is a post a trip page. Drivers can create a new ride by clicking post a trip. They fill in pickup and drop off location, date, time, available seat, gender preference, estimate cost share, and optional notes. Clicking publish trip make the ride available for passenger to join. Next is accept request ride. Accept request ride is when the driver click accept request, a pop-up appears showing route, date, time, passenger name, gender preference, number of passenger, budget per person, and total payment. The driver click accept and confirm to confirm or cancel to close. Next is request ride acceptance. Request once confirmed, a request accepted pop-up appears confirming that the passenger has been notified. The driver clicks got it to close the pop-up. Next is pending ride. Pending ride list, if the driver want to edit a posted ride, they click the edit ride button. A pop-up appears showing their pending ride posting. Each ride has an edit button, so the driver select a ride to edit. So this is the edit ride form. The edit ride form opens with the selected rides detail. The driver can edit pickup and drop off location, date, time, available seat, gender preference, estimate cost share, and notes. They can click save change to update or delete to remove the ride posting. And next is ride cancellation. If the driver wants to cancel a posted ride, they click the cancel ride button. A pop-up appears showing their posted rides. Each ride has a remove button. Clicking remove immediately cancel the ride posting with no extra form.
Next, the profile page allows registered users to view and manage their personal information, couple gender preference, vehicle details, and trip history. It also includes an source emergency button and two action buttons at the bottom, which is save changes and remove account. When the user clicks save changes after editing their profile information, a pop-up appears saying your profile updated to confirm that the changes have been saved successfully. If the user clicks remove account, a confirmation pop-up appears asking, are you sure to remove your account? With two options, which is yes or no. Clicking yes will permanently delete the user's account. Clicking no will cancel the action and close the pop-up. So next, the footer appears at the bottom of every page. It contains the platform name, UTM Coupling Hub, and navigation links under 4 categories, which is company, explore, safety, and support. Links include about us, find a ride, post a ride for passengers, for drivers, contact us, and gender preference guide. The About Us page explains that Green Ride Campus is a student-led coupling platform at UTM that reduces traffic, saves fuel cost, and lowers pollution. Next, the safety page for drivers covers general conduct, avoiding fatigue, maintaining the vehicle, picking up the right passenger, following road rules, and checking for forgotten items. The safety page for passengers covers verified drivers, privacy protection, specifying pickup points, wearing seatbelts, and rating rides. The Contact Us page allows users to send feedback. Only login users can submit the message. So for the last one is Gender Preference Guide page. Explains 3 options, which is female only, male only, and mixed. Users can set their preference in profile settings. Thank you.